All right, warm today, cooler tomorrow.
Yes, indeedy. We got some big weather changes coming our way. Let's spell them out for you. Here's our weather headlines. Warm today, another day. Not quite as warm as yesterday, but pretty close to it. Yesterday's high was 93. We're looking at 89 for our high today, so pretty close to 90. And then cooler, windy on Friday. And you'll notice that temperature change, but then we return to some hot temperatures next week. There's a live look outside. Looking down Capitol Boulevard, and we're already pretty mild out there, 63 degrees. We have 36 degrees in Stanley, 46 in McCall, and most locations here in the valley in the upper 50s to around 60, but Ontario and Caldwell a little bit warmer. They're well into the 60s. For this Thursday, June the 23rd, we're forecasting a high of 89 degrees. Just a few degrees above normal for this time of the year, but we're going to be well below normal by tomorrow. There's a record for the date, 103, set back in 1988. Here's what's going on, and this is going to be responsible for our weather change. We have some showers and some clouds moving into Washington State. It's a late season cold front associated with a low pressure system that will be moving in, but for today, out ahead of it, a toasty, warm day today, but then that low pressure trough moves in. Most of the energy as far as clouds and showers moves by to the north, affecting places like McCall and points northward, but Boise should stay for the most part cloud free. You can see that circulation just off the BC coast, pushing in the Pacific Northwest. Again, it'll sag to the south and then eject to the northeast, mainly affect locations well to the north. Out ahead of it, you can see a pretty dry southwesterly flow across Boise, so pretty much cloud-free for today. But here's our futurecast. The cold front pushes in the early morning hours. You can see the showers further to the north. There's 7:30 in the morning, and again, McCall and locations further to the north will see the rain. Here's our future rainfall accumulation, and this is just Friday, mind you. It'll be dry today, but for Friday, some showers for places like John Day, Baker City, into McCall, into Salmon. And the other story, the winds start cranking up a bit on Friday as well. Here's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Northwest winds sustained in the teens. A little bit windier in eastern Idaho. In fact, they might see a wind advisory. It'll be that windy, but the winds will die down with the setting sun. The other story is the temperature is pretty warm today, with the computer model saying 85. It'll be closer to 89 for Boise. But for tomorrow, the orange color denoting some 80s goes away. We just are stuck with yellow, and that's temperatures in the 70s for the valley locations. So here's our regional forecast. Sunny and warm for today, and sunny and warm for Sun Valley as well. High about 78 degrees, 79 for McCall, and sunny and warm conditions. Sunny for the start of the day, turning partly cloudy late. Western end of the valley, sunny and warm for Cannon County, and sunny and warm for Boise, high of 89 degrees. And then windy and cooler on Friday. Then Saturday, kind of our transition day, will make it into the 80s, still just slightly below normal, and then back well above normal by Sunday in the lower 90s, and then mid 90s, very summer-like, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. That's a look at weather.